These are shichon puppies, teddy bears. It's a Shih Tzu and a Bashan mix. That's the mom, that's the dad. Hi, Rain. Hi. Here go Layla in the back. Layla. Hey, girl. What are you doing? And these are 6 healthy teddy bear puppies. These are rated AKC and CKC. Puppies are pretty much all sold, except for the 2 female and the brown white boy here. But the brown white bears is pending, and one of the female is also pending today. But yeah, these are 4 weeks old. They're doing pretty much healthy and energetic and moving around. They're taking a little nap after a big feast of milk from their mom, and tested them out on their weasel eating, and it looks like they kind of not getting it though, but they're getting in there. They're still puppies. Hi, Rain. Hi. But yeah, like and subscribe. These little puppies, 4 weeks old. Shichon, Shih Tzu, and a Bashan mix. Teddy bear. Thank you.